Dan Moskal here, and in this video, this is a bit of a WordPress tutorial, but it's also an SEO kind of tutorial. And the idea, what we're going to do is we're going to use Google Webmaster Tools. We're going to add a tracking code. Almost every website you visit has a tracking code. There's nothing malicious about it. It's just that's the way the internet works. So when you visit websites, I mean, there's nothing. Maybe you're familiar. Maybe it's not even a tracking code. It's like a cookie that they put, and that's one of the reasons why it'll often help your to just clear out your recent history and delete your cookies. Just speed up your internet browser a little bit because sometimes it can get clogged up. And so, anyways, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over to Google Webmaster Tools, and you should already be signed into Google using, you're going to have a Google ID. This is a free tool they give us. It's so helpful and so useful. Okay, so one of the reasons this is so useful is because it's going to show us where this website, joliemoskal.com, we're going to add it here, but it's going to show us where that's listed, and it's going to show us if we're doing things, if Jolie Moskal, is doing things right, and her website's going up in the search engines, and what some of the traffic terms are. The URL. So this is how we're going to do that. Just click that red button that said add a site, and we're actually just going to copy and paste this. They're going to give us a little and we're back. Sorry about that slight delay. So this is the actual process. You need to download this. We did it right the very first time. So you download this to your computer, and then you go over whatever your web hosting company is. We have this with Bluehost. Go down. Most web hosting just hosts, and a lot of other ones are very similar. HostMonster with the cPanel. Go to the File Manager. Click on File Manager. And then you need to go to the public. Actually, it doesn't even matter where you go here, because what you need to do, well, here, let's just go ahead and we'll do it again just to show you. Because you don't want to put it in the public FTP. What you want to do is go down here and put it in the www. And this is exactly how you do it. You click on this folder button that says upload, then you browse, and ours. Make sure you don't put one in with the numbers, because that influences the URL address. But you just click on the Google, then you click open, and it's going to it'll take a few minutes, but you don't even have to do anything from here. Just click back, and it's going to take a few minutes. I think it took us, I don't know, maybe 5, 10, 15, I don't know, give it a little bit of time, because it's not going to happen instantaneously. You can also upload it by using an FTP like FileZilla, but this is what you need to see in order to verify it. This way, at least, when we click on it, Google Site Verification, and this is the URL on our domain, and that proves and shows to Google, yes, we own this, or we have at least access to manage it. We don't own it, but we're working on a client's site. So we're going to click verify. Congratulations. And it's because they could find this page. There are other methods. If you have any trouble with this, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. It can be a little tricky, sorting through those little things and figuring it out that it's just, the web hosting. And there's nothing wrong with Bluehost. I recommend Bluehost enthusiastically, especially compared to some of the other ones I've hosted websites with since 2006. But here, it looks like we've already got some information. So this is going to be neat. So this is what we're looking at. Jolie Moskal's website. She's a mental health counselor therapist in Columbia, South Carolina. And we're going to hit search queries. So this shows us some time, August 23rd to September 22nd. And during that time, over that time span, we've got 50% less clicks from Google and 33% less impressions. You can check out some other things in here. What I really do, though, is focus on the search queries with this. And one of the neat things, you can get some, Google will send you a message if something's going wrong with your site. Like they'll let you know and kind of keep you updated. Uh, we want to be as friendly as a website as we can to Google because they'll reward us for, working together with them to help make the internet better, give people what they really want for certain search terms. Think of it as a partnership, Give the search engines what they want. They'll be happy to show your website and give you traffic and rank your website better. And there's some just simple fundamental things to follow with doing that. Um, Check out some other of these YouTube videos about Jolie's website if you are curious about kind of some specifics and some of the ways I do it. And I'm also created a free 25-page PDF report about SEO. Visit danmoscowuniversity.com and I'm going to send it over to you for free. It's titled The 7 Golden Steps to Shower in Search Engine Traffic. It really reveals and shows you some of the other Google tools and some of the other tools and methods I use when it comes to SEO and getting ranked. And I've been doing this online since 2006. I've done SEO and PPC, and SEO is really a much I like SEO a lot better. PPC is great, especially if you got it working for you. But SEO, if you have a shoestring budget or you don't have, you're still learning some things as we all learn things through the course of life. SEO is something that you can do without spending a fortune. It requires investment of your time. It could be money, but time, so if you're working for yourself and you're a little bit of a smaller operation. So anyways, have a great afternoon. Visit Dan Moscow University. Please leave any specific questions or comments or concerns below. Please like this video and take care.